Hey everyone, it is Professor Hatch. I am here to talk about the representation in media essay. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, or I'm going to try to. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to read the prompt. Having now watched the documentary 13th, as well as having watched all the videos found in the representation in media jigsaw, which is an assignment I'll talk about in a moment. I'll have already talked about this in class by the time you're watching this, but just in case you weren't there that day, I'll discuss it here. And all of the videos on that assignment will be found at the bottom of this prompt as well. You are being asked to write an essay of no less than 1,000 words, no more than 1,500, please, that explores the significance of diverse representation in media, focusing on the portrayal of race, gender, sexuality, cultural identities, ability/disability, and so on and so forth. As you write your essay, please respond to all of the following. Why is representation in media important, particularly for underrepresented or marginalized groups? How does the absence or misrepresentation of certain groups in media affect individuals and society as a whole? What steps can creators, producers, or consumers take to encourage better representation in media? Support your analysis with examples from the videos mentioned above, as well as with evidence found in scholarly peer-reviewed journals. And you will see here a link, right? That'll explain how to find scholarly peer-reviewed sources. I won't go into that here because just click the link and there's another video of me talking. Here under procedure, this is just a standard persuasive essay, but if you have questions, just text me on Remind, as always, 24/7, doesn't matter what time of day or night. While you are working on this essay, please feel free to use the student essay template, which is for those of you who hate APA formatting, just use the template. It's already pre-formatted. And then also please watch the video, which you are currently watching, which will be embedded right there. And then under requirements, it'll say 1,000 words to 1,500 words. Please treat the minimum and the maximum as, solid. It's more than a guideline. Please no less than 1,000 words, but also please no more than 1,500. I teach 5 classes, and it's a lot of essays I have to grade. Plus a title page, plus a references page. You'll notice the link there that'll take you to a page that explains how to make pretty much flawless references pages. As always, be kind to my ancient eyes. And make sure your essay is double spaced. Single spaced essays, I'll just kick back to you and ask you to fix it, and then I'll happily grade it. But I can't read single spaced anymore. My eyes are too crappy. I am too old. Your essay needs to answer all 3 of the questions asked above. 2 of your sources must come from the videos mentioned at the top of this prompt, and 2 must come from scholarly peer-reviewed journals. 4 sources maximum, please, no more. And then standard stuff for all the essays in this class. College level, grammar, spelling, blah, 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 APA format, blah, 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 blah. You need to submit it in a docx or PDF format. And then no block quotes, please. And then down here at the bottom of the prompt are the 4 videos that I'm asking you to watch. You will already have watched 13th. We'll have discussed that in class. But these are the 3 videos found on the Jigsaw page mentioned above. Let's actually go to that right now. A jigsaw is just, I don't know where that name originally comes from, but that's what the cool people call splitting the work up so that you all don't have to do the same thing. It's a really good idea to watch all 3 of these videos. It's not that much of your time, but I also know that you're all working and taking 6 classes or whatever, and that's not even touching the whole thing with families or significant others. But I'm going to attend. I mean, I'm recording this slightly before New Year, so I have no idea who's even in the class, but I will have people assigned to each of these videos, and we are going to be talking about all 3 of these videos on the same day. And I'm just going to ask whoever's assigned to the 3 groups to talk about either the Asian whitewashing video, or the representation matters video, or the heteronormativity video. And we'll be doing that in class. And again, these are all here in this page for you to look at there as well. I don't even know exactly what week we're doing this in yet. Once this is all done, I'll be planning that out. Anyway, that is everything I think I need to say for the representation in media jigsaw as well as the essay prompt. I'm going to make another video for the outline assignment because that, in my class anyway, essay structure is the most important thing as far as I'm concerned. So I'm making a video talking about the essay structure. At this point, this is your second essay, I think. So this is all, you're familiar with all of this at this point. I'm going to stop talking now and I'll see you in the outline video. Bye.